Apple iPads have always been the device to go for when we talk about the tablet market. Their build quality, their performance, and their software support has always been exceptional and has outperformed other players in the competition. In this video, we'll be doing the unboxing and be taking a first look at the Apple iPad 2018. Let's get started. This is the box package of the Apple iPad 2018. It's a 32 GB 6th generation and it's the iPad for education that was launched in April 2018 in California. Once we open the box package of the Apple iPad, we get to look at this beautiful 9.7-inch Apple iPad itself. It's priced at $28,999 in India. Let's keep it to the side and check out what else we have got in the box. Lightning to USB cable, few paperwork, and some Apple stickers has also been provided. A 5-volt 2 ampere charger to power up your Apple iPad's battery has been provided. Apple can't afford providing a fast charger since it's a $1 trillion company. A 9.7-inch gorgeous 2K resolution Retina display is provided in the front. On the back, there is a metal casing with Apple logo and rear camera. There is this power button and 3.5mm headphone jack and the microphone as well. Now let's turn on our Apple iPad and check out what we have got in this device. It welcomes us with an hello, selecting English language, entering our Wi-Fi information, connecting to our Wi-Fi using the password, and moving forward to setting up the Touch ID. I am setting my Touch ID using my thumb finger. We have to enter Apple ID information. If we already have an Apple ID, we can enter that information, or you can create a new Apple ID for first-time iOS users. It's a self-explanatory and easy process to create a new Apple ID. Now let's set up the Siri virtual assistant on the Apple iPad by just following a set of instructions that will pop up on the screen. Once the Siri virtual assistant setup is complete, we will be guided into some other options that we have to accept. App Analytics, Cloud Analytics. Then we will be learning some gestures on controlling our iPad. Once everything is complete, we can jump right into the home screen and take a look at what's present in the settings. These are the few options that is present in the settings.
This is the camera interface. There is HDR mode, live focus, screen flash and many other options as such. This is the control center present in iOS 12 and the recent apps tree and the options present in the control center. This is the gorgeous display. These are the few camera samples taken from the iPad. Outdoor images are generally good, but indoor images are not that good, and selfies are bad.
If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button as we have some awesome content lined up for the future.